how to activate the feeling state to manifest anything you desire. Hello beautiful soul, welcome back to my channel. This is Priya, your manifestation coach, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to become a vibrational match to your desires so that it can effortlessly flow into your reality. Now, it's first important to understand how manifestation works. Manifestation is about embodying the feeling state of your desires now in the present moment. Meaning, whatever it is that you desire, you don't want to be waiting for your manifestation to show up in your reality before you feel satisfied, before you feel good, before you feel content, before you feel fulfilled. Because if you postpone your happiness, if you postpone joy, if you're waiting for your 3D circumstances to change before you embody the feelings of having your desires, then you will be waiting forever. And here's why. The way that you think and feel, your state of being, your state of consciousness, the feeling state that you radiate and project day in and day out is what you are calling into your experience, is what you are manifesting into your experience. You are always manifesting 24/7, whether you are conscious of it or not. You could think of the law of attraction and manifestation as the law of gravity. What you are conscious of being, or who you are conscious of being, is what you are attracting into your life. Gravity works naturally. You don't have to think to yourself, how do I stay anchored to the earth so I don't float off into space? It is working whether you're aware of it or not. And in the same way, the law of attraction, the law of assumption, manifestation is working 24/7, whether you are conscious of it or not. So this is about deliberately choosing the frequency, the feeling state that you want to embody now. So when it comes to manifesting a relationship, more abundance, or better health, it really is about asking yourself, how would I feel if I already had the relationship or X amount in my bank account or the perfect health? How would I feel if I had it right now? And this is important. Asking yourself, how would I feel if I had it right now, is the most important question you can ask yourself. Because the universe isn't responding to your vibration 10 years ago, 5 years ago, last week, 5 minutes ago, or even 10 seconds ago. The universe is responding to your vibration right now in the present moment. So all your power lies in the present moment. How you choose to vibrate right now, the state of consciousness that you choose to embody right now, is what the universe is responding to. So when you focus on what would it feel like to have my manifestation right now, when you just drop into that feeling and you really begin to sense it and you begin to linger in that feeling, you are beginning to attract a different outcome. You're beginning to change your 3D reality. But it begins with you activating the feeling state. You must first become a vibrational match to what you desire in order for your 3D reality to change. If you do not do this, if you do not change your feelings and your emotions, regardless of your circumstances, your 3D reality can never change. You could have a desire for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, and it never comes to fruition if you are unable to master your vibration and your energy in the present moment. You must learn to master your state of consciousness, your state of being. Meaning, how do you begin to train your body to feel like it already has your manifestation, although there is no proof of it yet in your 3D reality? Although your circumstances haven't changed yet, are you still able to feel happy? And this is something you can absolutely learn. You can absolutely train your body to feel like your desire is already here. And the best way to begin to train your body to feel that way is to ask yourself, what would it feel like to have my desire right now? And then just allow yourself to relax into that emotion. Don't force it, don't try, don't effort. This is where a lot of people trip up. They try to force it and effort. If you're forcing it, then you're just resisting. When you force something, it means you're in lack. So you don't want to force it. You want to just relax into the feeling. Like, what would it feel like? Be playful about it. Be gentle with yourself about it. Have fun with it. Just what would it feel like? And then relax into the emotion now in the present moment. And then the next step is probably the most important of all. Let that be enough. Let what you have accomplished right now in the present moment be enough. Meaning, don't try to now search for your manifestation, look for it, or try to look for like movement or evidence, because when you're looking for it, searching for it, or when you're looking for proof, you're in the vibration of lack. So you have to let accomplishing the emotion in the present moment be enough. From the understanding that the frequency does the work. Once you get into the frequency of having your desire, it does the work. So now you might be wondering, okay, Priya, well, how often do I have to get into the frequency of my desire? So the truth of the matter is this: instead of asking yourself, how often should I be doing it for? You want to ask yourself, how intense is the emotion that I am feeling? Because the truth of the matter is, it's not how often you do it. It's the intensity of the emotion, and that's the muscle that you're training. The more intense the emotion of your desire, the more you can embody it now in the present moment, and it feels more intense, like that feeling of joy or bliss or love. The more intense, the quicker your manifestation will show up in your reality. So it's not about how long do I do it for. You could be doing it for hours but not feeling anything. Then you're not getting anywhere. This is just about having a pure vibration that has no contradiction in it. Can you just really be in that feeling of joy and happiness, which is what you would feel if you already had your desire, and then intensify it from there so that it feels more powerful? That's the goal, and you can absolutely train your body to do this. So to recap, how can you activate the feeling state of whatever it is that you're trying to manifest? Simply ask yourself this question. What would it feel like to have the relationship, more abundance, or better health right now? What would it feel like if I had it right now? Ask yourself this question and then relax into your body. And relax into that emotion of what it would feel like. Really allow yourself to go there. Don't force it, just relax. And this is the key: relax, because the frequency is already there. When you relax, you will easily be able to tune into that frequency. If you try, if you effort, then you're going to resist the frequency. You're pushing yourself further away from the frequency. When you're efforting, you're in the vibration of lack. So you're not going to be able to tune into that frequency. You want to just relax into the frequency of it. Now, if you're somebody who would like to go deeper into how you can manifest anything that you want, if you desire a clear roadmap, then you can get your hands on my manifestation courses by clicking the link below in the description box. Also, if you would like to learn the difference between thinking of your manifestation and thinking from your manifestation, which really dictates whether you get your manifestation or not, then you can watch my video here next, how to think from the end. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. I appreciate you. Have a beautiful day. Mwah.